Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate event promotion with Facebook Events, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate event promotion with Facebook Events, start by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Events section from the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Event button to set up your new event. Choose between a public or private event based on your audience. Fill in the event details such as the event name, date, time, and location. Add a compelling event description that outlines what attendees can expect. Upload an eye-catching cover photo to attract more interest. Next, set up co-hosts if applicable, to expand your reach through their networks. Once your event is created, promote it by inviting friends or sharing it to your timeline. To automate promotion, consider using Facebook's Boost Event feature. Set your budget and target audience for the boosted post. Schedule your event reminders to notify attendees as the date approaches. Utilize Facebook groups related to your event topic to share your event link. Engage with attendees through posts or comments within the event page. Create a series of posts leading up to the event to keep excitement high. Use analytics tools to track engagement and attendance. After the event, follow up with attendees by sharing highlights or feedback forms. Implement insights from this event to enhance future promotions. Stay active on your event page even after the event to build a community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.